Huh? Oh.
Hello, today we've got a concept that we think is pretty fun, but it is completely impractical.
We thought it would be fun to make a digital photo frame as an alternative way to view the images created using Simply Sark's camera. If you haven't seen that video yet, we recommend pausing this video and clicking the link up here to watch it now. Not only because it's a clever invention, but also because what we have done here will make a lot more sense.
So, in this gold frame is the raw image output from our camera, and if we're happy with what we've got here, all we need to do is head on over to our digital frame, hit the button, and this image will be displayed there.
As you can see, the image is scanned in from left to right, bottom to top. This display is 20 by 20, but you could make it whatever size you want. And there we go. There's our image displayed in our frame. When you grow bored of your current image and you've taken a different picture that you would like to have displayed, all you have to do is hit this button again, and it will overwrite the image with the new one.
As you've probably guessed, this display is made up of armor stands. Each pixel is an invisible armor stand holding a block, and we use entity data to change what block that armor stand is holding. It's a 20 by 20 image we've got here, so that's 400 armor stands, which is quite a few.
Our raw image is three-dimensional, so we have to flatten it into a 2D image in order to scan it. When you press the button, the first thing it does is clone each layer of the image from the bottom upward using masked mode, and each level is pasted into the same coordinates. So the background is cloned in first, and then anything obscuring it in the foreground overwrites the background.
The 400 armor stands are not the only drawback to this design. As you can see, it also uses quite a few command blocks, and this is only currently set up to identify 6 different block types. If you want to add an extra block type to be identified, it will add an extra 400 command blocks to this per block you add. So yeah, it would be quite big quite quick. The way it works, in between these gold blocks here, that signifies one line on our display, and each of these command block branches, that signifies one pixel on our display. Now, after our 2D image is created, a redstone block is placed on these gold blocks here, and it travels down the line powering each of these command blocks in turn. And what these command blocks do is, the first block summons a scanning armor stand on our 2-dimensional image, and then the rest of these command blocks are execute detect command blocks, and they are looking for what is underneath that scanning armor stand. And if they find a block they recognize, in this case stone brick, it will update the armor stand in our display to hold that block. In this case, this is the first pixel. It would then get a stone brick in its hand if it finds a stone brick underneath the armor stand scanner. And then it kills the armor stand and repeats the process for every single pixel all the way down this long machine.
So that's our digital picture frame inspired by Simply Sark's camera. Admittedly, it's not hugely practical, but it was just a bit of fun. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, we hope to see you next time.